More pressure on one leg.
This new driver now.
Okay, we'll head back this way.
We're gonna go back because it's windy. We're going. You don't want to go back?
Yeah, they finally figured it out now.
Okay. Okay, ready? Yan. Very good.
It's the same. Learning to paddle a canoe is the same as a baby learning to walk.
Yeah.
It's balance. You have to balance your paddling, make the canoe go straight.
You wanna cross to the other side of the lake? You wanna cross the other side of the lake? We're going home now. Okay. That's good. Yogi Daga. He's a teacher.
They don't listen to me too well though. They're not good students. I'm trying to, but
Oh, you're going in circle again.
I don't think they're gonna pass this course. I have to repeat next year.
I'm gonna repeat next year. Mabunggo ka mo, mabunggo. Uy!
Look at that stump there by the rocks. Look at the way it roots beside that cliff. It can.